Welcome to Adric's Art and Crafts.
So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make these cool paper airplanes. They look kind of like this. Yeah, I would recommend using your classic printer paper to do this because construction paper doesn't really work that good. It doesn't really fibre that well. So I would recommend using printer paper, but I would say you can use any paper you'd like, but I would recommend printer paper. So this is how to make this plane. So first what you want to do is fold the paper in half the long way. Then you're going to want to unfold it. Then you're going to make airplane folds, or putting this corner to the middle, like that. Next, what you're going to want to do is fold this here. After that, you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. And you're going to want to fold this here. So just fold it like that. Then you're going to want to flip the paper over and make the airplane folds again. Then do the same on this side. Then you're gonna wanna open these pockets. As you can see, there are these little pockets that you're gonna have to put your finger into, and then do it that. So now you take it, you push it like that, and try to align the fold with this. Like that. And do the same right here. Again, open, fold, align, and crease. Then you're going to want to flip it back. So from this to this. And then you're going to want to unfold it like this to make this. And make sure to fold it around to the beginning of the triangles. So now you have something like this. Next, what you're going to want to do is fold it in half. So just basically just go like this. So now you're going to have something that looks like this, and then you're going to fold this over here. So just fold it like this. So make a fold. And do the same on the other side. And then you're done. You have your paper airplane. And that's how you make this cool paper airplane. Alright, see you in the next video.